Once upon a time, in a quaint village surrounded by lush greenery, there lived two friends named Lela and John. Their friendship was as strong as the old oak tree that stood tall in the center of the village square. One sunny afternoon, as they strolled through the village, John turned to Lela with a sparkle in his eyes.
Hey, Lela, how about you share a story with a powerful moral today? Something that will stay with us forever.
Of course, John. Let me tell you the story of the Enchanted Seed. In a distant kingdom, there was a magical garden known for its extraordinary flowers. Each flower had a unique power, and the heart of the garden was an enchanted seed that held the key to harmony in the entire kingdom.
What was so special about the seed?
The enchanted seed had the power to bring prosperity, happiness, and unity to the kingdom. The king, realizing its significance, decided to entrust the seed to two loyal friends, Lily and Rose, who were known for their wisdom and kindness.
What happened next?
Lily and Rose understood the importance of the enchanted seed and vowed to protect it with all their hearts. They planted it in the center of the magical garden, where it could flourish and spread its positive energy throughout the kingdom.
Sounds amazing. But what's the catch?
The catch was that the enchanted seed required constant care and attention. Lily and Rose took turns nurturing it, ensuring it received sunlight, water, and love. The seed, in return, blossomed into the most magnificent flower, radiating its magic across the kingdom.
So, it's about caring for something important.
Exactly, John. Now, here's where the twist comes in. One day, as Lily was taking care of the enchanted seed, she fell ill. Rose, seeing her friend's condition, decided to take on the responsibility alone.
What happened to Lily?
Lily appreciated Rose's sacrifice, but insisted that they share the responsibility, Lela explained. However, Rose, driven by her love for Lily, took on the entire burden herself. Days turned into weeks, and the enchanted seed, lacking the care it needed, started to wither.
Oh no! What did they do?
Realizing the mistake, Lily and Rose had a heart-to-heart conversation. They understood that true responsibility meant sharing the load, supporting each other, and working together for the greater good.
Teamwork and shared responsibility. Got it.
Exactly, John. Lily and Rose, united in purpose, revived the enchanted seed. They learned that true magic lies not just in the seed itself but in the bond of friendship and shared responsibility that nurtures it.
So, it's not just about having something special, but also taking care of it together.
You've got it, John. The enchanted seed represents anything precious in our lives, be it a friendship, a dream, or a responsibility. It thrives when we share the load, support each other, and work together.
The central idea of the story is that true magic and harmony in life emerge when friends unite, share responsibilities, and nurture the seeds of love and responsibility together. The old oak tree, witnessing Lela and John's tale, stands as a symbol of the enduring power of stories that impart meaningful morals. As we reach the end of our tale, I invite you to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow story lovers. Your support is the key to growing our community and sharing the magic of meaningful narratives. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Like, subscribe, and share for more enchanting stories. Until next time, keep the magic alive. Goodbye.